Disappointment is the regret that in the past you made the wrong choice, the wrong action, what should have been done differently, the person to answer differently, etc. Remember forever at the moment of the act you always choose the best solution. Your brain analyzes hundreds, thousands of factors from your past experiences and current situations and chooses the best option. The brain is part of you, but you are not just the brain. The brain always chooses a solution to extend its existence, your life. Then, after a while, if you don't get the expected result, you get disappointed. But you are already analyzing the past situation in the light of real events. No need to put the present on the past and the past on the present. Be in present time and not in the past or the future. To living in the present moment. Every time you think you've done the wrong thing, always repeat yourself many times, I always choose the best solution.
There's no way to explain all the things I feel. I feel weak, I feel weird, just like I'm not even real. A deep blue sky rains down on me. A gray old house on the edge from falling. Walk down the path, knock on the door to see I'm stuck in a tree. Whoa. Stuck in a dream. Stuck in a dream.